In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appreciate a project on Behance. If you've ever wanted to support a designer, illustrator, or creative team on Behance, the simplest way is by sending an appreciation. It's Behance's version of a thumbs up, and it tells the creator their work resonated with you. It also helps their project gain visibility across the platform, so your click genuinely makes a difference. Start by heading to behance.net in your web browser, or open the Behance app if you prefer mobile. You can browse the homepage feed, use the search bar to find a specific topic or style, or explore categories like graphic design, illustration, photography, and more. Signing into your Behance account ensures your appreciation is saved to your profile. If you're not signed in, you may be prompted to log in when you try to appreciate a project. Once you've found something that catches your eye, click the project thumbnail to open the full project page. This is important because appreciations are given on the project page itself, not from the grid view. On the project page, you'll see the cover image followed by the full case study, images, videos, process notes, and the tools used. Take a moment to scroll through. Creators put a lot of effort into their layouts and descriptions, and viewing the project in full is the best way to understand the concept and craft behind it. When you're ready to show support, look to the right-hand side of the project page on desktop. You'll see a panel with project details and a thumbs-up icon labeled Appreciate. On mobile, this button is typically near the top of the project view, close to the title and basic stats. Click or tap the thumbs up. You should see a quick visual confirmation. Often the icon fills in or changes color, and the appreciation count increases. That's it. Your support is recorded, the creator is credited with your appreciation, and the project may get a small boost in discoverability. If you accidentally clicked before finishing the project and want to take a second look, just keep scrolling. Your appreciation remains in place. You can always navigate back to your profile later to review the projects you've appreciated. To recap, you visit Behance, open a project you genuinely like, and click the Thumbs Up Appreciate button on the project page. If you want to go a step further without adding complexity, consider leaving a thoughtful comment or following the creator so you see more of their work in your feed. That's all you need to appreciate a project on Behance. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.